Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Depop how to add tracking number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a tracking number on Depop, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Depop app. Then once inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon or my Depop icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside there, all you gotta do is tap on the sold option on the top of the screen. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is select the order you want to update. Then once selected, simply tap on mark as shipped if you haven't yet, and then choose your shipping carrier like USPS or Hermes, etc. Then enter the tracking number, and once done, all you gotta do is tap on done or save to confirm. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.